Today I'm doing a honey garlic chicken from Smoked and Grilling with AB. So I hope you give this a try. But regardless, come check us out for our journey. Alright, I'm going to get my chicken all marinated up so that way it can sit and get all nice and flavorful. I already got my thighs in here, they have been trimmed, and I got my smashed cloves of garlic down here. I am using the full sodium curcumin because I am not going to add salt, and this is what I already had on hand. Make sure you get that all nice good amount in there. Thyme. I put everything in here ahead of time so I have to go ahead and get my hands washed so that way I'm not handling all this stuff with chicken stuff on my hands, because we know that's not a good thing. Black pepper. This is a multi-pepper. A whole peppercorn medley. Gives a really nice flavor to everything. And the fact it's being fresh cracked, it's even better. And our honey. If I can get it open. Because after all, this is honey garlic chicken, right? Sorry about the loud crackles there. Get this sealed up and we'll start doing this and swish around. Oh, I forgot to get my vinegar. Alright, sorry about that, Joe. I thought I had everything out here and ready, but I guess not. And in case you're wondering, that's the apple vinegar I'm using. Okay, now back to getting this all swished up, and we'll get it put into the fridge. I'm not sure. I'll let you know when I can, of course, make this, how long I let it set. We'll let these get all married together. Alright, this recipe comes from Smoking and Grilling with AB. I have my chicken thighs here. I took and toweled them off a little so that way it dries them out. This is going to be a honey garlic chicken. Now this is supposed to be meant to be grilled, but hey, not all of us have grills, so I'm going to do this all in the oven for y'all. I'm going to get this put on the sheet and get it started baking, and we'll be back here in just a little bit. Alright, we got our chicken here. Look at that. A little bit charred on top. Of course, it had all that honey in there. Nice juicy little bite there. Nice sweetness, nice touch of the soy. You can definitely taste the thyme flavor in there, just kind of popping along with it. Hey, fixing the oven was not too bad way to go, especially if you don't have any other options. Mine did marinate for almost 2 days, so it's definitely packed full of flavor. As always, links are down below, and we'll see you again next time.